We're going to install this double cup holder in a 2006 Boxster. The only tools you need for this are a Torx T20 and T25 bit driver. We'll start by removing this screw here with the T25. Then there'll be two screws in these locations where we'll use the T20. That will allow us to remove this panel here and add the cup holder in this area. We'll start with the T25 to get this first screw out. This screw is sometimes hard to find. It can be hidden in the carpet. Once you feel around, find it, it's relatively easy to get the screwdriver in there and this screw out. You don't have to worry about this screw falling out of the piece. It's permanently attached to this piece by a lock washer. You can see where the screw goes in to the bracket that it's attached to. And you can see the two clips that attach to the panel to the left of this piece. Right in the back of this piece is where they attach. 12-volt accessory adapter, you can remove it so that this piece comes completely away, or you can let it hang. I just chose to let it hang here. It's out of the way enough that it won't get in the way. Now let's use the T20 Torx driver to get these two screws out here. You can't see the screws in the shot, but if you were to look down and around, you'd see them very clearly. They're not hidden. We'll take those out. Start with the lower one. Should come out fairly easily. And then we'll take out the upper. These are the only screws that you'll need to remove to get these panels out of the way. Once you do get them loose, you'll just need to slide this piece to the left in this frame here. There are three clips here that I'm pointing out. You just need to slide this piece to the left towards the seat. The bottom two usually come out fairly easily. The top one, you just have to pull, loosen it, and then here you see me pushing again from the bottom. It comes out, you just slide that out. We turn it over, you can see the three clips that hold this piece in place around the AC controls and radio, and then the two holes for the screws. Move that out of the way. Now you can see the one last screw that we'll need to remove to attach the cup holder. We will use that screw to hold the cup holder in place. Again, this is a T20. The T25 is the very first screw that you remove. All of the rest are T20s. Pull this one out. Again, make sure not to lose any of these screws. So if we take a look at the cup holder, you'll see on the back there's a small lip that we will attach to the lower portion of this molding. It's going to slide right up and under this and hold it securely from the bottom. And the hole on top will attach to the existing hole that's there and pass the screw through it. This piece sticking up on the back is also supported by the panel that we will put back above this piece. Again, we'll want to make sure that that clip snaps into place at the lower portion of the molding. Make sure that you get that all the way up in there. And then with a little bit of a push, you'll get it in place. You'll know it's in place when it's secure on the bottom and the hole up at the top lines with the existing hole in the bracket above. You can see it's already fairly secure from the bottom and the top. We'll take that screw we just pulled out, the T20, put it back in. Again, make sure it's secure, make sure it's held in place by the bottom and the top. We'll get the panel we removed earlier and snap that back into place. It should slide right back into place. You'll want to make sure that those three clips are lined up around the radio and AC controls. Push it back into place. Those clips pop right in fairly easily. Now we just need to get those two screws back into place. These are T20. Doesn't matter which one you do first, you can do the bottom or the top first. We get those in. We'll do the same procedure at the beginning in reverse. Get these in, make sure it's secure. And then last thing is we'll put this piece back. You want to make sure that those two clips sit in right behind the piece that we just got in there and line up the last screw with the hole. This is the T25. Get that in, check it out, make sure it's all secure, and you'll be ready to start using your cup holder right away. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any further questions.